The RANX INGST non-stick crepe pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It measures 10 inches. This size is perfect for making crepes, dosas, and tortillas. The cast aluminum material helps distribute heat evenly. You won't have hot spots that could lead to a cooking disaster. Plus, the non-stick surface means your food won't stick. Cleaning is also a breeze. The detachable handle is a smart feature. It makes storage easy and saves space. This RANX INGST non-stick crepe pan is also induction compatible. This means you can use it on any type of stovetop. Whether you have gas, electric, or induction, this pan will work for you. The white color gives it a clean and modern look. It will look good in any kitchen. While it doesn't come with a detailed manual, using it is quite intuitive. You'll be making delicious pancakes in no time. Forget struggling with sticky pans. Overall, the RANX INGST non-stick crepe pan offers good value. It heats up quickly and evenly. The non-stick coating works well. Cleaning is simple, and the detachable handle is a bonus. If you enjoy making crepes or tortillas, this pan is a solid choice. It's a practical tool for your cooking needs. You can achieve great results without a lot of fuss. This RANX INGST non-stick crepe pan is a reliable option for your kitchen. Pros: non-stick coating, easy to flip food, PFOA-free, safe to use, detachable handle, easy to store, oven safe, no handle, induction compatible, multi-purpose use, easy to clean, lightweight, heats quickly. Cons: needs space, hand wash, low heat, coating, handle, unknown, limited, possible features. Induction ready, aluminum build 10-inch size, multi-purpose use, easy to clean, oven safe. No handle, lightweight design, white color. This RANX INGST crepe pan is made of aluminum and is 10 inches wide. It has a non-stick surface, so food will not stick to it. This pan can be used for many things, like making crepes, dosas, tortillas, and pancakes. It is easy to clean after you are done cooking. You can even put it in the oven if you take the handle off first. The pan is light, and it comes in white. It can be used on induction cooktops. This 10-inch RANX INGST crepe pan is made of cast aluminum with a white non-stick coating that is PFOA-free, making it safe and easy to flip food. It heats up quickly but needs some storage space due to its detachable handle, which allows for oven use when removed. This lightweight and multi-purpose pan is induction compatible and easy to clean by hand on low heat.